Hello, my name is Zelena. I am from the Seychelles Tourism Office and I look after the Central and Eastern Europe region. So today we are here in Zagreb. We are presenting Seychelles as a destination, and we also have DMCs and hotels partners to introduce and to present their products. So why should you visit Seychelles? Many reasons. We're still one of the most natural and unspoiled destinations still remaining on earth. We provide and we offer a lot of activities. So you don't travel to Seychelles and you stay in the rooms, you'll be missing out a lot on what the destination has to offer. So plenty of activities, nature activities, sightseeing, and then at sea we have a lot of sunset cruise. We have sailing, we have fishing, excursions in the marine park, we have sunset cruising as well. So all these are available for you. We cater for groups, we cater for families, we cater for solo travelers. Whatever you want, whatever you're looking for in the Seychelles, I'm sure you would find it. Okay? In terms of traveling to the Seychelles, we have connectivity. We have a few airlines out of Europe, either via the Middle East or Turkish Airlines in Istanbul, Kenya Airways, Ethiopian Airlines, and so on. We have quite a few options, and you can easily get to the Seychelles. So we look forward to seeing you in the Seychelles soon. Thank you.
I'm Dorina from 7 Degrees South, a destination management company in the Seychelles. It's such a pleasure to be here. We specialize in crafting the best experiences and itineraries around Seychelles. We'd like to invite you to join us in the Seychelles and let us help you experience the best Seychelles has to offer.
Hello, my name is Damien Wao. I'm the Managing Director of Seychelles Welcome Travel. It's a small company that started its journey in 2021 during the COVID time, and the company is slowly growing. And we are a company that focuses a lot on the sustainability in the Seychelles environment. And we use a lot of sustainability accommodation, cars, so that we reduce the carbon impact in the Seychelles. And our company is looking forward to welcome you in the Seychelles and see you there.